Back to my channel. My name is Cassie and I'm a licensed realtor in California, specifically the Bay Area. Today we're going to be doing an office tour of my awesome brokerage in Walnut Creek, California. Let's go. You can see when you first walk in, there's a beautiful art structure out front. Our parking garage right there. Wonderful one sign, one luxe, because we do luxury real estate. Awesome chandelier. I love this gold hand high five. So this right here is where our TC receptionist usually sits in the mornings. I'm here on a Saturday, so there's actually nobody here right now. Into the kitchen area and break room. We do have a printer, computer, some extra advertising. And over here is where our preferred lender's office is. I really just want to point out how into the detail they really were. Is the fridge. A Realty 1 bar mat. And for anybody who doesn't know, I bartend, so I think this is the most amazing thing. This is where the rest of the agents usually would be. So much for watching this behind the scenes tour of Realty 1 Group in Walnut Creek. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell, because next month I'll be posting a behind the scenes of our grand opening. Bye.